the Social Health Authority has suspended a total of 40 health facilities found to have engaged in these criminal activities. They have engaged in corruption and they have engaged in the theft of public resources. These suspensions are effective immediately. Our digital system and the forensic audit further identified several health professionals who have been directly involved in these criminal schemes. These are 8 doctors associated with the facilities in Nairobi, Bungoma, and Kilifi counties. 4 clinicians associated with the facilities in Nairobi and Homa Bay counties.